just encountered some boys. They were knocking on the door like Nikki said, who was there? There was some Bible pushing boys out there. I said, I love Jesus. I love baby Jesus. I love Jesus. The boy started looking. He saw my look. He took a look back and he saw am I under attack? Am I under attack? My shirt's falling down and I'm sorry. He tried to give us a brochure and I'm sorry. We don't take literature that's printed. That's why we got the internet. So don't try tripping, knocking on my door, trying to give me propaganda about Jesus. We love Jesus. Motherfucking Jesus. We love Jesus. We love Jesus. He knows that I love him. He knows that I love him. I love Jesus. He loves me. I'm gonna be crazy as me. Oh nigga, do you love me?
No, cause I love
niggas. Oh my god. Am I in love with a boy?
no. Maybe.
I'm talking about that boy right now. It's just right now.
I love Marky.
No. You don't even know what kind of level I'm on right now.